Based on a user comment from a while back regarding replacement heads for one of the two-head Tascams, I purchased these online from the usual source, and they came in. I also purchased this set of sharp heads, which were more expensive than the others, and I thought possibly they might be a good, uh, good substitute for something. But I wanted to take a look at them because they were at least a name brand. So I've got them set up on the microscope here, and just at first glance, I'm not very impressed. Um, the lapping doesn't seem very fine. There's all kinds of different anomalies. There's grooves and divots and all kinds of things. This little bit right here in the middle that's completely covering the head gap is a little bothersome, although it also looks like corrosion, like something I would see on my DeLorean time machine. So let's get a little closer. Yeah, there's just evidence of it everywhere. The bad part here is it looks like it's kind of interfering with the gap. It looks like it's actually corroded the gap. Of course, it's hard to tell, but so I don't know. I'm not exactly sure what to think about this. Yeah, that definitely looks like it's damaged the gap a little bit. Although it's really hard to tell. It looks like there's a little bit of, what would you say, height difference in the laminations. Well, that's kind of what I'm looking at. I think what I'll do is give this a polish, maybe an aggressive polish, and bring it back in and see if that did anything for it. It would be nice to have a source of heads. This might even be something that comes out with, just tape wear, the tape doing the polishing. But yeah, that could have been done better. All right, let's give it a polish and see how it comes out. Okay, so I've spent very little time actually polishing it. The compound I use is called Venol, I suppose. Venol. Now, so far that looks a lot better. Get up closer. Oh yeah, I think that's all it was, just a little bit of surface corrosion. And that's unsurprising, and it doesn't bother me at all. That probably would have come off on its own or worn off. And actually that little bit of polishing I did surprisingly kind of seems to have taken some of the lighter scratches out as well. That is until you look at it close. Well, yeah, I'd say that cleaned up 100%. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I did want to take another look at some of the little divots and incursions that I saw somewhere on the head. I can't remember where. Wasn't that? It was. Maybe it was over on this other side. There they are. So that's obviously off the side radius. All right, well, that's what these sharp heads look like. Not quite sure what I think about it, but I'm glad to have the source. I'll take a look at the other ones here pretty soon. I'll probably just go ahead and polish them before I put them under the microscope, because they'll likely be in the same condition. But anyway, there it is. I'm happy I can find new heads. Thanks for watching.